This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious vegetable soup. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need 15 almonds, 1/3 cup of carrots, and 1/3 cup of beans. Also, prepare 2 tablespoons of sweet corn and 2 tablespoons of green peas. For the base, have half a teaspoon of oil and 1 teaspoon of butter. Finally, measure 1 teaspoon each of pepper powder, grated ginger, and grated garlic. This ensures you have everything ready for a smooth cooking process. Now, let's get started with the initial preparation. Begin by boiling 15 almonds for about 10 minutes. This makes them easy to peel. Once peeled, grind these almonds into a smooth, fine paste. Next, cook 1/3 cup of carrots and 1/3 cup of beans in water with a small pinch of sugar for 3 to 4 minutes. After cooking, grind these vegetables along with 2 tablespoons of sweet corn and 2 tablespoons of green peas into a coarse, textured paste. It's time to build our soup's rich flavor base. In a soup pan, melt half a teaspoon of oil and 1 teaspoon of butter over medium heat. Add 1 teaspoon of grated garlic and 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, frying them until they turn a lovely golden color. Next, stir in 1 teaspoon of green chilies paste for a gentle warmth. Then, add the coarse vegetable paste you prepared earlier, sautéing it for about 2 to 3 minutes to deepen the flavors. For the final steps, pour 400 milliliters of water into your sautéed vegetables. As the soup begins to heat, carefully skim off any foam that rises to the surface. This helps create a clear, appealing broth. Now, incorporate the smooth almond paste, add salt to your taste, and stir in 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. Let the soup simmer gently for 3 to 4 minutes, allowing it to thicken to your preferred consistency. Serve it warm and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.